Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. How is it going? Everyone is safe? Today we are going to discuss the new lesson from the unit 2, the little fir tree. The main element in this video are reading, explanation along with new words and their meanings. Okay. So as the title indicates, this lesson about a fir tree. So let us discuss about the fir tree. Fir trees are cone-shaped trees and the leaves of these trees are needle-like shaped and they are famous as Christmas tree. Okay. Okay children, now let's start the lesson, the little fir tree. Okay, look in your text. Shetty, the magician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So once again I am repeating the lesson. The first paragraph. Shetty, the magician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for a shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. See, in the first paragraph, we see that there was a magician. His name was Shetty. So, there is a magician called Shetty. One day, he was returning home and was started to rain heavily. Okay. Then what did he do? He looked around for what? For a shelter to protect himself from rain. Okay. So, at that time he saw a pretty means what? Very beautiful, very attractive. Okay, so he saw a pretty fir tree, an attractive fir tree. And then what did he do? He ran quickly. For what? To save himself from rain. Okay, so when the magician Shetty, once he returning to home, and what happened? It started rain heavily. Then what did he do? He looked around for a shelter to protect himself from the rain. So he saw a pretty beautiful fir tree and he ran quickly to save himself from the rain. Okay. Next, the second paragraph. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Now, when the rain stopped, Shetty found that he was not wet but completely dry because of the help of this fir tree. You know, what is the meaning of a wet? Soaked in water. Okay, soaked in water. And what is the opposite of wet? That is dry. So, here the magician not get wet because he was under the fir tree. Okay, so the fir tree saved him from the heavy rain. Okay. Now move to the third paragraph. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. Okay, once again I am repeating that paragraph. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. See, in here the third paragraph, here the magician was very happy and thankful to the fir tree. And he decided to give a reward to the fir tree. So, here the magician was very happy. Why? Because the fir tree gives a shelter to him. The fir tree provides him a shelter. So, he was very happy. And he said the tree was very kind. Kind means what? Kind meaning helpful. And what is the opposite of kind? The opposite is cruel. Cruel. Okay. So here the magician was very happy and he decided to give a reward for the fir tree. Okay. He granted 4 wishes to the fir tree. So, dear children, read the lesson loudly and you study the difficult word from this part. Okay. So, the remaining part of this lesson will be covered in the next video uploading soon. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos.